Hey guys, talking with Cyclone FPV, continuing on with our live RMA repairs and such. I'm getting ready to open up another RMA, and we're going to see what's going on with it. So let's see. I don't think we saw good. So we kept the name hidden there, and now what I want to do is test this out. Let's see. This might, this looks all right. Now, the problem is I don't know the full story on this RMA. I'm going to try to understand it as best as possible, but let's see, 1851. Let me type this in, see if I can find this RMA and understand what is going on. Okay, so let's see. All right. Sorry, I'm about there. I'm just trying to get this. The computer's moving a little slow. Let's see what we got. Okay, so let's click that. And this is an HGLRC RMA. I don't remember the full issue here, but let me see if I can figure this out. I really don't. It doesn't tell me anything at all. So let's just take a look at it and see what we got. Actually, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go see if I can find something real quick. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can find this. So let me go here and close this and go. What was it? There we go. Let's see if I can figure this out. Well, I'm not really sure what happened with this, so let's just see. Because there's not much detail on this RMA, but apparently I spoke to the gentleman on the phone, so let's just get to it and see what we got, okay? So I'm just going to plug this FC in and see what is going on. I may have to just call the gentleman real quick and see. But for now, oh, well, there you go. I guess it's not. Woo, that is hot. Well, folks, looks like we actually have a real RMA on our hands. Hold on. I don't know. I have to check the protocol on how we handle that now because there's been so many goofy ones lately. Let's see what we got. Okay, so first of all, this thing is cooking hot. Off of 5 volts, the voltage regulator is out. And so I want to, oh, jeez. It's hot. I mean, I gotta, you know what? You guys will appreciate this. Hold on. Hey, baby. What's up? That's my wife in the background there. She's actually processing y'all's orders right now. And so that's pretty cool. So if they get messed up, you go talk to her. Right, babe? Love you. Can't live without you. Okay, so spider. I'm going to show you how hot this is getting. Check this out. So they just burned the crap out of my finger, but I want to find the spot. And I hate doing this. It's worse. Okay, I think it's going to be right here. All right, check out the temperature of this thing. It's about to get crazy. I mean, just so you don't think I'm exaggerating. Pretty sure it's right here. And here we go. Ready? Okay, that's not my temperature because I know it was hotter than that. There you go. It's starting to climb. Yep, look at this, look. I mean, it's that hot, no bull. So, babe, you gotta check this out. I don't think I've ever seen something, I mean, maybe a VTX, this gets hotter than a VTX. Check this out. Well, I mean, I'm gonna see if it's gonna catch on fire. It's right now at 270 degrees, 273 degrees. 275 is the hottest so far. Look at this. And I mean, God, dog. I'm gonna see if I can melt something with this so that you can see. You know what? I don't think this will melt this by far, but I'm curious to see if I can get it to a point where it's gonna melt solder off of 5 volts, and we might have ourselves a new soldering machine. All right, so let me see. Oh God, I hate to do this because I'm sure I'm gonna blow something here, but let me try to find the hottest spot. It is now cooking the the USB cable. All right, check this out. So 306 so far is our hottest. 306 degrees. Is that even for real? I just think it's gonna catch on fire right in my hands. I mean, the USB cable is now. There's 312. Okay, so to find. Oh my gosh. So let's see. Let's see how hot this is. Ready? This is gonna be cool. I hope, or else. Ow! The cable's like really hot right now. Let me try to find the hottest spot. See if I can melt some solder on here. I don't know. I'm probably pushing my luck with this, but I would like to see it melt. Oop. Crap. Just did some boo-boo. The whole computer just went nuts. Oops. My bad. Oh, shoot. I'll go over here. Come on, without shorting this out any more than, ow, God. Can I please I just want to see if I can solder this and make it the hottest board I've ever touched. This is really interesting. I know this is stupid, but this is really interesting because I can't get over how hot this is. To be honest with you. I don't know temperature. Oh, well here, let me look at that. It's, ow. It's so hot. It just literally melted the glue on the sticker. I mean, holy crap. Okay, so that chip is hot. So maybe I can get this thing. I don't think this is gonna melt on here, but oh boy, I tell you what, it would be neat if it could. I bet you it'll get hot enough to pull the. Well, I was gonna say I could probably start pulling the chips off the board, but I don't really know. So I'm ow. USB cable is getting really hot. Well, it's unfortunate. I thought this would be really cool. I'm not going to give up, though. I think I'll be able to get it to melt something. Let me see. I'm not seeing it yet. Come on. Make my day by just melting this sucker. All right, well, I'm not giving up, so y'all are just going to have to wait a minute because I'm going to believe that I'm going to get some sort of... I can't hold this part anymore. This part of the USB is way too hot now, so I'm sure it's going to be cooking down, but I mean, I'm willing to risk my laptop here. I just want to see something happen. Come on, please. Oh, here, I'll tell you what. Let's use the flux pen and see if we get a little bubble going, little boil and flux. Let me see if I can find my flux pen first. Okay, so right now I'm going to see how hot this is because I'm going to tell you that the heat is resonating. So our hottest point right now has been 332 degrees. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be in soldering point here, but I tell you what, you know what, I'll just grab one of these. No, here's my solder pen. Ready? Watch, ready? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Can you see that? I mean, it's smoking pretty hardcore. I don't know if you can see the smoke. I'm going to try to zoom in there so you can maybe see it. Check this out. You could see that, I'm sure, right? Woo! That's hot! No, but I still can't melt my solder, I guess. Damn it. It's still smoking really good, though, by the way. This thing is, like, really... I have not seen her yet. I've been focused on trying to get... That's too bad. Babe, I can't catch this on fire. Hey, babe. Oh, I guess she didn't come in, my bad. Come on. All right, well, give me one more minute. If it doesn't happen in one more minute, then I'll give up. Okay, so, well, it's not melting the solder. Ow, 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 ow. Cable is too hot. Let's see if it's hot enough to... No, it's not. All right, so we haven't reached that temperature yet. It doesn't look like it's climbing anymore. So Let me see. No. All right, so final temperature. I know we were at 330 before. I'm going to pass over. There we go, 331. And just to try again, let's see which side is going to be the hottest part of the board. Flip this over. Come on, give me a good one more good. Hey, babe, give me something that 332.8. Give me something that would like melt at 332 degrees, like anything. Yeah, let me see that. I'd probably burn through that plastic pretty quickly. All right, so these are the bubble packaging. I don't know what temperature this has to be to burn. Oh yeah, no, that burned right through it. Holy crap! Great. So we're burning through plastic easily. Ow. God, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just paper. Nah, I don't think we're gonna see anything here. Maybe we'll get it to turn kind of a brown color. I have no idea. I don't know what paper. I don't know when paper gives in, but this sucker is hot. Okay. Well, it's been fun. Oh, you know what? I got it. One last thing. Let's do one last thing and then we'll call it a day. You know, when these moments come up, you got to have some fun with them, right? So let me clear my throat. Where is, hold on, I'm looking for something here. All right, so let's try. We're going to take this and we're going to take, I'll just take this one. I'll clean it out later. And we're going to throw some of that in there. And I want to see. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, that sucker is just steaming. Woo-wee. Brought the temperature down pretty quick. And it's getting ready to go right back up. Well, there you go, liquid cooled. That was fun. Just wanted to see if we would bring it down significantly, and it did. I don't think it's hot enough to burn through styrofoam, so that sucks because that would have been a cool little thing. And I think the temperature now is, oh no, it's slowly getting back up there. Cool. Well, this has been fun. So now that we've had that much fun, let's go ahead and check out what the microscope says. Shall we? There it is. So let's go ahead and just put this up here. Boom. I gotta love these hot boards. Look at that. I mean, it literally, there's the plastic that's melted. I think, is the board? Oh no, it's getting hot again. Holy crap. So look at that. Plastic's just gonna come right off. Let's see if we see anything that really stands out. So my guess here, based on where the heat is that we are seeing right here. I believe that this would be our problem. Right now we have plastic bag that melted. Ooh, crap. There goes that. Hold on. Maybe it'll come back. Give it a second. Are we back? Yeah. I gotta flip the camera around. Sorry. There we go. All right. Every time I do that, it resets all my stuff on this computer, but it's worth it. I gotta see what happens. And it's not hot enough to pull this off, I guess. Nope. Temperature now is, we're climbing back up after we gave it a liquid bath. That's hot. Okay, so that's been a really fun video. My guess would be that the voltage regulator over here, I got not this is just plastic bag. And I'm not unplugging it. I'm just going to take this off. There we go. So I'm going to aim for this one right here. This would be the problem, in my opinion. And if I was to just place my finger right there. Okay, so actually, I may be wrong with the. Ow. Shit. God. It's so damn hot. Ooh. Ha. Babe, I need you to come put your hand on here.
Put my hand on it.
I need you to find the hot spot here. All right, well, that's been fun. Needless to say, we will go ahead and replace this under warranty.
Do you really need me to or no?
No, oh. I'm not gonna. No. Unless you want to try. You want to feel how hot this is? Here. You want to get an idea? Hold on. I gotta at least do a picture so that they can see how.
I don't want my fingernails to be seen though.
Oh my God!
Do you
Please
like-
cut it out. Okay, so go ahead. Just like. No. You gotta touch it, woman.
I can feel it from here.
I know, but you gotta feel the.
Ow.
It's hot, right? It's
Yeah.
super hot. It is currently. If I take it off, what's that saying? Oh, it's up there somewhere. It's like. Yeah, I threw it in the. I mean, this video's got a lot longer than it should. This is a complete waste of time. But, all right, so let me see if I can do this. Oh, that's probably my son calling. Watch. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Just bubbling. I gotta go take this call. I just wanted to show you this thing boiling. You could see that. Oops. All right, well, that's it. I'm done. Done trying to catch a fire here. Woo! I'll leave that right there. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. Sir, that is a good RMA. You were spot on with that one. Thank you. It's one hell of a way to end the day. I'm going to go get my phone from my son here. He's calling me, and I want to go talk to him. But, yes, we will be RMAing you, sending you another one, okay? Woo! That sucker's hot. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please head over to our website and hit the contact page there under support. And you can reach out to me. Follow us on Facebook. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and all that good stuff. Other than that, be safe. God bless. Spend time with your family. And we shall see you soon. Peace.